Lorraine introduced me and tell me to go and find Tina Chin. So Tina Chin, when Sophia say you're not share nobody life, you're not go to nobody, make me tell her something down to Lorraine do more than you on the sharing of the life for real. Because you make Lorraine do more. And Lorraine force a whole heap away to go find Tina Chin because Lorraine want you to come and join with her to fight with Dana. Do not listen to Sophia, do not bash Sophia and this and that. That you should have depend Tina Chin live at text and a comment. And Tina Chin not supposed to come back out as an answer to Sophia because Sophia knows, Tina Chin knows that Sophia love her. No disrespect the girl. A real thing she tell your mama. Facts. So when you not come and come sit down, you say you know, and sit down like, yeah, Tina Chin right, Sophia wrong, Sophia wrong, Tina Chin right. Now same thing me ever sit down and tell them. Now same thing me sit down and talk to them. When your friend or your sister talk to you, listen. Listen. Tina, you just need to listen. A Pepto Bismol life. Sophia though. Take what is yours and leave what don't belongs to you. Just lay down and listen in live and say, blood clot and all. Me I call Sophia mad then this again. I did have sense so. When the woman lick up on the part and say, go and do something. Follow Dana. Like how Dana go on and the time you did. Follow her. Follow her. Dana them follow. Maxine a try follow. This year try follow. Ashanti them a try follow. And they not reach. You in a the position to follow and did it the best. What did I told you? Stop from answer so much ants. Go out there and dress up sexy and nice. Girl, you know say you're nice. Girl, you know say you're sexy. Go and be a lady and a real boss, man. Be the boss you're supposed to be, man. Take Sophia life, man. Pepto Bismol life. Good life, Sophia. Well done. Well done. Take that life, Sophia. Sophia, Tina Chin. Tina, you know is a perfect life for you. Sit down and just speak out. You shouldn't give no vlog and no food right now if you eat. We have the life there, play all about. You go answer. And Sophia go answer. No, you should not feed them, you know. Them they feeding and belly full, them I tell you about, mama. And then the belly full, them I tell you, so you keep yourself active for social media. Tap active social media. Tap give them strength. Make them go blood clot walk. Make them go walk. Let them go and work. Why you full in their belly? Eh? Why you full them belly? You know, see a belly full on social media, mama. Remember, no like on TikTok where they give them wheel and then give them lion and then give them tiger, you know. Which will say, I really love that person, there, you know. Me sit down with that person, there, over here, so I sit here, I trace, you have to trace the most and put out most ads and tell lie on most people and send out most mix up to get paper and over here, so, you know. But, you know, no go and go to blood clot. So I show your followers, them I show you they know who real and who not real. None of them now go over there go say Tina I choose Sophia, I tell still, you know. You have to listen to Tina, you know, to Sophia, you know. Everybody have feelings. Me a rough girl, me no business about certain things, but certain people care. Tina, is enough time I see you sit on your life. And I said good morning. I stopped saying good morning. But me now put myself in a Sophia shoes. Lorraine, Marcia could never defend you. Marcia could never in the category where we did inner. Marcia would never be there. And look at that now. Me do a live before and point out the star and the stand firm people them who Lorraine tried to get to fight the battle. And Tina kind of take the bait one like 1-2 time, play a little live where she send go gear. Then Tina said, "Chow, me can't bother with this. Me not like play back people things for my life." And Tina leave it. Tina leave it there, so. Marcia, you cannot get Marcia to do it. Marcia no want hear what you want say. Marcia want cuss off her own. Marcia want talk to you off her own. Marcia want deal with Dan off her own. Marcia want deal with Ashan. If you want to go out there and cuss and defend her, that's your business. What I see about with Marcia now, you have to be talking about Marcia for her to be texting on your live and say something. Like should I go on Flex live? If I know she talk about, she not comment, she not say nothing. If she go on Maxine live, she not text, she not. It have to be about her and her life that she just done. So you can force people to come over, come do what they don't want to do when you meet them as a star and the person stand up like a star. Marcia no depend on the side totally long time to in a what you talk about because she do not want to mix in her thing and then when you take a stock she look like a idiot. Lorraine try to get Marcia. So Michelle was the one, because she feel like she intelligent, so she's the one that tried to get to Marcia, to get Marcia in the category. No, you me do them live there already. So when you hear Lorraine talk, you know, everybody should have just put up. Don't try because you can't find nobody to eat no food or for you to say nobody no count you. And done, you done, I go down here, go down here. Go look then now if you go over upon big deal. One word big deal, you know, that woman don't have upon her program. She now answer look upon you again because you know look somebody for tour to tour. That you know look right now, you know. Somebody for tour to tour if you not get a food to eat. You don't need to look in on yourself, mama. You not get old you know. Because when you listen to Lorraine and you tell you lie them. And when I listen to Dana and Dana come out and show off and boast for you, I know I'll sit down there now and I say, me give her $100, you know. Me give her $200, you know. If me didn't know, me no give. I have no head torment, so. And when I listen to Tina Chin and say, before Tina Chin go bake, before Tina Chin go on, not because, yeah, you have your books them sell, but you can make more money. I say, you have a lot of free time that you can make more money. You can come out, you can live bigger. You can live bigger. I want hope of free space, me see you have right there, so. Because if you're doing all of them live there, this could not do our next company. In a real life. Sophie, I tell a real thing, real deal. Me not have a company, me not have a business, and sometimes I can't even do live because of my grandbaby. You understand? So if I have something like, I take up your time, use all of your space. Don't use it for social media, that's not going anywhere. No scamming on this, no thieving on this. Nobody now give back their money, nobody now want back their money. Nothing, it's just like that. So all you have to do is just buy Facebook. Nobody now give you no joke, nobody now teach you no nothing. Stop follow them and look on them page. Go on and follow them. Like this lady said, I'm done with Facebook. Yeah? Go on and follow them. Not let you follow upon them page. If you don't feel like they have much a million people, go back and unfollow them and move on. So when you unfollow them, you can't just go take you something and pop up. You go and unfollow them, block them and delete them. And move on. When Lorraine tell you like, you know, it hurt one whole heap of money, you know. I don't know them near, you know. You know, no vex, mama. No vex, mama. Mama, please, may I beg you, don't vex. Don't vex. I teach Sophie, I teach you something. That is a teachment life. That is not a disrespectful life. It's a teachment life. So yes, when you answer Sophia, you know, remember Sophia, to me, it's not like Sophia can read and write and up there. But me that give, me no know, in my opinion, me that give you more brighter, like you do more things in school more than Sophia. So I don't know if Sophia have her under her belt round here, but for your belt kind of show out to me, so me I wonder. You see, that is why now? You see, when you're kind of too intelligent and don't have that much streetwise, you don't listen to the lower class people. When you feel like I want a big person, you know say if Andrew Wellness' wife would come out here and talk to you like how Sophia talk to you, they run with it and feel glad and feel nice. You know, say if Obama wife would come out here and talk to you just like how Sophia said it, exactly with no different word, you would run with it and take it out and say a Pepto-Bismol, a chew. Anyhow, I did one of those big officials. Me not look for big up, you don't have to call me name for big me up. But me understand what Sophia feels. Everybody have feelings. All when me tap, because you see, me not really did that cuss no whole heap of people for you. More than when me did dep on Lorraine live, yes, me used to deal with them enough. Everybody say you. Big up yourself on the live. But you know, you have to accept it, man. Me tell you the truth. I tell you God in the truth, my sister. Yeah. So if me go accept it and tell her the plain truth, say yes, where Sophia say a real thing. They don't cuss me. Sophia have feelings. It don't matter to me how much somebody you want to big up or what. Thousands of times I'm there and you never one day call me name or nothing. But I hear you call my name. So it don't matter to me, but trust me, I not tell no lie. I never hear you call Sophia name for real in a real life. Never, ever, ever, ever. And all when I stop, Sophia still on people page defending you. Still cussing for you. So for that life the way you come out when me not get to hear good. For that life the way you come out and say in the life, say. You big up this, you big up that. That life they not make it. You have to do a life like Femi life and tell Planka or everyone or any one of them. You know who none of them no apology. How you know say bling no pay somebody what's your name and pay somebody for cuss you already? How you know say All of them no pay somebody for cuss you away, they love Dana. And Dana maybe never said nobody that go cuss you, she cuss you for herself, but because them love Dana, them cuss Dana for you. So you don't have no sympathy or mercy, and no plankers or no beside plankers or no sideway plankers or no planker we kind of there near to near or back to back. Them is just a person that in a lane by themselves, no apology, nothing. You're just over there. So if you feel like talk about them, you talk about them. Because just like how I come and I tell you, me and nothing and no friend, Lorraine just tell me if you cuss them, and me just cuss them. Me couldn't go see me cuss uno, and me I wanna go down a hilly road. And then me now I go take you as friend, not even in my real community. I could have my auntie me cuss. I could have my sister. Me I look on the part where me know say I go take one part out of that. When that gone out of me know me it gone out of me. Me would call it do you wrong neither, you know. She not do you nothing. And you not do her nothing. You see how she do the big up as far as I hear? That was totally wrong. Because what if me did sit down on it? What if me did dep on the life? Because you see if I did response our business about somebody or care about somebody, Sophie did quarrel for you. And if me sit down on your life and you're going to big up this year, that day. So till that to show you the amount of big up you make, so till you all tell yourself, say, not even Dana and Chris alone, you don't have no lot and part with. Well, when you big up Dana followers them now, Dana followers them just come and say, shh. Yeah, my friend, Dana cannot like some of them, because some of them go do it off of their own. But when Dana want to know if you calm down, you know what you follow, Dana always make somebody have to come out, they can talk something good about you know. Anytime Dana no want to no call her name no more or disrespect her. So Tina, you know, you know done it well, because if I did sit there now and then listen to the part where you shake up. You see when somebody have to return back to you and say to you, say, why so what happened to Marcia? Let's say you look like an idiot, so again. I mean, not listen, me not hear or nothing. But Sophie always there, and Sophie defend it to the end. You know? And when you know, they know where Sophie is still gone look for them and cuss people for you. She's still gone. She's still gone. Everybody, and you know so she gone. But Marcia is not like Marcia start something. She never used to do it. Nobody no go meet her or do it or big up nobody or nothing. But you reach down to a point you know where you interact with we closer than Marcia. You interact with we closer than Marcia, Tina. Not by talking to you a lot. I'm telling you right now you're gonna must about 4 times I talk to her. Yeah, no long talking. No. One time was first time was very long. Very